That high-pitched scream coming from your dentist's drill, it's louder than you think. You won't believe this, but some dental drills can hit over 100 decibels. That's louder than a chainsaw, a rock concert, even a jet taking off from 300 feet away. And here's the wild part. Dentists hear that all day long, hour after hour, day after day. It's no wonder so many are quietly losing their hearing. Noise-induced hearing loss doesn't happen all at once. It creeps up. Tinnitus, muffled voices, needing to turn the volume up. Sound familiar? But there's a solution, and it's custom fit. Big Ear Inc. makes premium earplugs tailored for dental professionals. They reduce the harmful noise while keeping voices crystal clear. Dentists, protect your ears before it's too late. Visit www.bigearinc.com and experience the difference of real hearing protection.